In this video, we are doing a flip through of these two brand new sticker books from Rongrong, Self-Love, which is a self-care planner sticker book, and Enchante, which is a French Paris-inspired themed sticker pack. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. If you're new to the Planner channel, subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. Let's flip through these stickers. All right, let's get started with Rongrong's Self-Love, Self-Care sticker book. I am so excited about this sticker book for two reasons. I had just decided on using my planner as a self-care creative journal, and that was right before I found out about these stickers, and I was so like, they're perfect. They're also in my favorite color palette, which is pink and purple and shades of red and pink. Like, it's just so me. So I have not opened it. I have not looked at it. Let's check it out. The first page is matte white stickers. Love. I'm going to go through pretty quickly. You can pause, of course, if you want to see more in detail. More paper stickers on this page. One of the things that I want to do, so like this is gardening, makeup, cooking down here. One of the things that I want to do on my self-care list, which we should do that in another video. Leave a comment if you want to do like a list of self-care activities. I think we should. Cooking, baking cookies. I used to bake cookies all the time, like as a kid, and I loved it. And I want to do that again as just a fun activity to do something for myself. Here's like exercise and eat healthy. These are all paper stickers. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this whole color palette and this whole theme. It's probably one of my favorites. Ooh, I should do like my favorites. Well, I also love Rongrong's Boss Babe stickers. Those are really good too. Positive affirmations. This will be perfect for that journal. I like these bullet points so that you can put a bullet point next to like your little notes that you write in the journal. These are functional stickers, so they're not all decorative. There's also a bunch of functional stickers too. These day offs, relax, those are perfect for your monthly spreads, and habit trackers here. Planning, be mindful, love, no screen time, workout, yoga, relax, read, unplug, stretch, journal time, take a walk, massage, stretch, read, all good self-care activities. And then here's some decorative ones to get into it. These are clear. Here's like, if you are a crafter or sewer or baker, some of those activities, an artist, makeup artist, or you need to do some self-care. Really, really, really cute. Gardening. I don't actually do the gardening, but I enjoy the flowers. Exercise. Ooh, I'm supposed to work out today. Be strong. You can do it. Look how cute. Work on you for you. Baby steps every day. Good vibes only. Self-care ideas, face mask, meditate, journaling, let go of negative energy, hug your pets or family. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love it so much. I love it. Enchante Vintage Paris inspired planner stickers. Now this one is a sticker pack compared to the sticker book that we just flipped through. So it is not like book bound. These are like neutral, and that's all I know about them. Let's look up super close. Bonjour. I really don't know any French. That's it. That's probably all I have. These are like matte paper stickers in really pretty neutral colors, with a gold, like a good shiny gold foil. I love this, and I have some Simply Gilded washi tape. I have a collection of Simply Gilded that will look really, really good with these stickers and make a really pretty spread. Can't wait to do it. These are clear. Some of our girls in more of a French vibe. Bonjour Paris. Really pretty, like illustration style drawings. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so pretty. I can't wait to do this spread. Gorgeous Paris French inspired stickers. I love this muted neutral color palette. So pretty. So it looks like there are 4 matte white paper stickers and 4 clear line drawing stickers, 8 sheets. This can make certainly 2 really full sticker spreads, probably more than that. And we're gonna do at least 1 coming up soon. Leave a comment down below and tell me, what is your favorite self-care activity? I think mine would be either a massage, probably a massage, or coffee by the pool. Yes, coffee by the pool is my favorite. Is that self-care? If you'd like to learn more about how to use stickers in your planner, I am teaching a free Planning 101 course on how to use stickers in your planner and how to plan. As always, details about these 2 sticker packs are available in the description box. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!